Hello guys and welcome to this Blender tutorial. My name is Narvel and I'm gonna show you how to make a moon with the textures given by the NASA. First I will show you the moon that we will make. This is it. It's simple, nothing fancy about it, and it's very good looking, by the way, with very high quality textures. That's indeed. Let's start with a new Blender project, and you will find the textures in this link. You will find it in the description below. For the color, I have downloaded this definition. It has about 50 megabytes, and for the displacement, I have downloaded this one. It has about 30 megabytes. Uh, by the way, don't be mistaken by these two, because this has a float login and this one, you see it here. They are very different and they give very different results, so beware to download this one. Let's get started and delete everything we have in the project here. Select everything with A, X, delete, and Shift A, add sphere. For the sphere segments and rings, we will use about 200 segments and about 170 ring. Now, yep, don't worry about the verts and faces below, because we will reduce them later, or you can just add a simple decimate modifier right now and put this like 0.2, and it will give you this shade smooth edge. So this will control how many faces the sphere has. Let's go to the shading and give our sphere a new material. Push the color into the material, and also the displacement map. For the displacement map, we would not link it into the normal, rather we would link it directly to the displacement. And the color, of course, it will be our base color. By the way, if you linked the color to the sphere, it will be distorted like this. And to correct this thing, you need to change linear type to smart. This will correct our looking sphere. By the way, you should do that to the displacement map, and the color space should be non-color for the displacement. Let's add normal map. Normal map. Here's it, and a displacement node. Link this. Link this here and this here. Okay. Now let's change our HDRI preview with this one and crank up the strength. Just don't forget to change this to workspace and push this up. For the height, we need to take it up just a little bit and lower the strength just a bit above the 1 point. Okay, like this. This looks good. We just need to tweak the material. Let's add a mix shader and let's add a Frenzel. By the way, I'm using a node wrangler. You will find it in the preferences add-ons. Node wrangler, this one. It helps a lot. In my case, I use it to preview the things I add to the nodes, like the Frenzel. Let's add another mix shader. Duplicate the Frenzel. Let's add a diffuse shader. And add another the another principal shader. It's just a duplicate for this. Let's crank up the roughness of the wait, let's see how it's looking. It's looking good. And let's lower the roughness here. I'm gonna change this from material preview to rendered, and don't forget to turn off the strength of the background and add light, sun lamp. So turn this off, and this is it. I think it's looking good. It's a lot glossy. So we should crank this up just a little, like that. And this is it. Ready to use moon. I think this needs to be degraded just a little bit. String 1. Let's see how is it looking. This is better. As you see, it's very good looking. Now let's see our modifier. Here. For the wireframe, this is the wireframe preview. and this is rendered pretty. Uh, if you want to add the stars, I really don't remember how I have done it, but I used to use a Vornua texture, but in the new Blender 2.81 it's not possible to add stars with the Vornua texture. In Instead I used, I think, the Masgrave texture. Maybe. I'm not sure of it. Just a sec. I really don't remember how I've done it, but make it title. Maybe not this one. Maybe this one. Yeah, this one. Mix shader, add background, link this, and sorry, this should be here. What's going on? What's happening? What's what's really going on? This is so weird. What? What? It's gone mad. Blender gone mad. Really mad. Here is it. Not quite looking stars, but who knows? Who knows? It like stars. Just to show that we are in space. You are in space! Yay! You have a moon! Yay! I hope you like it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends and share your model, maybe to show us what you can do with it. And see you later in next tutorials. Thank you for watching it.